So over here, if I were to open up the S browser, you can see that it opens up the application. And if I were to click on close, then it closes out the application right here. So you know when an application is open when there is a dot or a line beneath it. If I were to close it, then the line or dot disappears, as you can see right here. If I were to go around onto the start menu and open up the calendar, you can see that a new icon is here. That is because this was not pinned onto the taskbar. If I were to close this, it completely disappears, which indicates that it is closed out. So now let's see another scenario where I open up the S browser right here, and if I were to create a new tab and click and drag this, you can see that there's another instance of the window right here. So if I were to close one window, then what happens is that the Explorer is not closed out. The internet browser right here is not actually closed out. The S browser is still running. If I want to completely close it, then now what you can do is you can right click on the icon in the taskbar and then click on close all windows, and now everything is closed out. So what sometimes might happen is that you are running an application and that application might freeze. In that case, what you can do is you can force the application to quit, and it is especially useful when the cross or the right click over here is not working out. So in order to force an application to quit, you need to first right click on the start menu right here and click on task manager. And once you do that, this actually pops up and you see all the applications that are running. So here you can see the calendar right here. So simply click on end task. And if an application is not responding, even if it is not responding, you can just quit it out just like this. And that is how you can quit applications normally or quit applications by force inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.